Achoo! Excuse me. It certainly is the season for coughs, colds, flus, and what have you. And with all those germs and viruses flying around, we really need to protect ourselves. And with that being said, we need something like this, an Airdog Mini Personal Air Purifier. Airdog was founded in 2007 by two Silicon Valley engineers who wanted to revolutionize the air purification technology. They wanted to clean the air with less waste, which makes more sense, and they're using a new technology called TPA, and we'll learn more about it when we unbox this. The key technology behind Airdog is the TPA filtration, which stands for two-pole active technology. Unlike conventional filters which use HEPA filters that passively trap contaminants, Airdog uses an active filtration method. The most notable feature of Airdog purifiers are the reusable filters, two of which are washable, the pre-filter screen and the collecting plate. Do make sure not to wash the emitter wireframe, as this is an electrical part. It's not supposed to make contact with water, as it's the filter that generates electricity. The filters we're showing you are from our studio Airdog X1D, just to give a better understanding on the filtration and which one you can wash and you cannot wash. If you are unsure about which filter you can wash or clean, please refer to your manual or pop Airdog Philippines a question in their contact pages. So the Airdog Mini proves to be a very portable device. You can put in your desk like this, fold it, put it in your car's cup holder, or hang it with a strap included on your car's headrest if you're a passenger. And comes with a pretty good price at 10,800 pesos. Fully charged, this can go for up to 3 hours on low fan mode, and on high-speed mode, it goes up to 1 hour. You can experience for yourself at their GH Mall pop-up showroom at the 3rd floor in Green Hills. You can buy this straight from their Lazada or Shopee official stores. This is Brent from AutoIndustriya.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.